This is Tech Talk Now.
So I'm gonna go ahead and get going, and I know that Sam will solo me. So here we go. Here we go. It's Tech Talk Now, and this is smart locks enhancing home and garage security. Welcome to another exciting episode of Tech Talk Now, presented by the Collective Podcast. I'm your host, AC from LA, and today we're diving into the world of smart locks. These innovative devices are transforming the way we secure our homes and garages. Let's explore their features and benefits. First, let's break it down. Smart locks are high-tech replacements for traditional locks and keys. They offer keyless entry, remote access, and often integrate with your smartphone or other smart devices. It's like having a personal doorman right at your fingertips. Now, let's discuss some key features of smart locks. Remote access. With a smart lock, you can control and monitor your locks from anywhere using a mobile app. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or just out for a walk, you can check the status of your locks and even lock or unlock them remotely. Keyless entry. Say goodbye to fumbling for keys. Many smart locks offer keyless entry options, such as PIN codes, fingerprint recognition, or even voice commands. This makes entry convenient and secure. Integration. Smart locks often integrate with other smart home devices. You can link them with your smart doorbell, security cameras, and even your virtual assistant like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant or Apple Home for a seamless connected home experience. One of the primary advantages of smart locks is enhanced security. There's also access control. Smart locks allow you to grant temporary access to family members, friends, or service providers. You can set specific time frames for when they can enter, providing greater control over who has access to your home. Most smart locks keep a log of who enters and exits your home and when. This feature can be valuable for security and peace of mind, allowing you to track activity remotely. Smart locks can send you instant alerts and notifications if someone tries to tamper with them or enters incorrect codes. You'll always be in the know about what's happening at your home. Installing a smart lock is typically straightforward and doesn't require extensive technical expertise. Many models are designed for DIY installation, but you can also hire a professional if you prefer. Compatibility is crucial. Make sure your smart lock works with your existing door hardware and smart home ecosystem. Compatibility ensures a seamless integration with your other devices and apps. With various smart lock models on the market, how do you choose the right one for your home or garage? Consider factors like security levels, connectivity, brand reputation. Different smart locks offer varying levels of security. Evaluate your needs and choose a lock that meets your requirements. Ensure the lock is compatible with your smartphone and other smart devices. Check if it supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or both. Some locks are battery operated, while others can be hardwired. Consider which option suits your preferences. Research and read reviews about the brand's reliability and customer support, or just reach out to me and I'll talk you through it. When installing a smart lock, follow these tips. Read the manual. I know a lot of us don't want to, but always start by reading the installation manual provided with your smart lock. It will guide you through the process step by step. Ensure your home Wi-Fi network is secure to prevent unauthorized access to your smart lock. You don't want to make it easier for you to get into your house, just make it easier for everyone else to get into your house. Keep your smart lock's firmware and associated apps up to date to benefit from the latest security patches and features. In summary, smart locks offer numerous advantages: convenience, keyless entry and remote access, enhanced security, access control and activity monitoring, integration, seamless connection with other smart devices, customization, temporary access for guests, and alerts, instant notification of lock activity. As we wrap up this episode, remember that smart locks are more than just a convenience. They provide advanced security features that can give you peace of mind. Whether it's for your home or garage, consider how a smart lock can enhance your security and simplify your life. Thank you for joining us on Tech Talk Now. Stay tech savvy and secure. And until next time, I appreciate you.
This is Tech Talk Now.
My dude Sam always gets hyped for that. I appreciate that.
Another phenomenal Tech Talk Now. Man, you're onto something. You got to clip that one so that can go out specifically just as a Tech Talk tip. You heard it here first. Tech Talk tip. That's what that's going to be because that's very, very important.